This is how to start your Titan petrol chainsaw. Make sure there is at least half full of petrol oil mix and the oil lubrication chamber is full. Switch it on. Press the fuel bubble until the bubble is full of petrol. Pull the choke on. Place it onto the floor with your foot inside the handle, pushing down on the handle here. Chain brake off. Pull 1, 2 or 3 times until the engine almost starts. When it almost starts, put the choke off. Wait a few seconds for it to warm up. Test the fuel brake. When it's warm, don't use the choke, just switch it on, foot inside, push down.